Sometimes Windows will not obey to our needs. So let's say you've got a text file, new plain text.txt, and you want to open it. If I double click it, it's going to be opened with, let's forget I did that. So I double click, it opens with Notepad. So I want to change the Windows behavior. So I want to open it with Notepad plus plus. So if I want to do that once, I can just right click, open with Notepad plus plus. The problem is that if I do that, next time I double click it, it's going to be open with Notepad. So what I want to do now is I want to tell Windows that every time I double click a text file, I want it to be opened with Notepad++. So right click, open with, choose program, and here you can say Notepad++. Always use the selected program to open this kind of file. So this is what is going to be applied every single time we double click. So I say OK, and there you go. If I double click again, Notepad++. If for any reason you don't have Notepad++ or whichever software you want to use, you don't see it in this list, so you have to browse and go to program files and find if for example Notepad++ did not appear here, I would have to find it in the directory Notepad++ and Notepad++.exe. So open and then always use, check, OK, and it's going to be open with Notepad++. There you go. And I'm going to create another one, double click, there you go. So if you want to make this kind of changes, multiple changes at the same time, what you can do, you can just open any folder, go to tools, folder options, file types, and here you will find a list of every single file extension Windows recognizes. So I can go to text and it says opens with Notepad++ if I want to change it. Okay, then I can go to doc and say okay, it's writer. If I want to go to PowerPoint, PPT, so I don't have to go okay, open with, choose program, I can do it at the same time. So you can see here that PowerPoint is not recognized as a file extension. It's because I very recently uninstalled Microsoft Office, so it destroyed the file extensions in this list. So what I can do is I can create a new file type, new PPT, advanced, associate file type is going to be Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint, 97 2003 presentation. Okay, opens with, there's nothing for the time being, so change, impress, and I got a new file type association, and I can do it as much as I want. For example, HTML. If you want HTML documents to be open with this navigator and not another one, so by default when I double click an HTML file it uses Chrome. Okay, I can change it. I say no, change Firefox. So okay, close, and again just to be sure, double click Notepad++. So this is how you associate a file extension to a specific software.